Hello, first graders. We are back at calendar time, so you should be on your iPad with your binder in front of you and a pencil. And let's get started with our song. Here we go. December, December. Lots of cookies and candy canes and maybe some presents too. December, December. 31 days of so much fun, and then the year is done. Good job. Turn the page. And today is Thursday. You are on an at-home Thursday. And today's number would come after 9, which is 10. Today is December the 10th. Let's say it all together. Today is Thursday, December 10th. 2020. Good job. All right, turn the page and look out your window. What kind of weather do you see? I am seeing sunny again. Sunny weather outside. It's kind of crazy for December. We're having some good December weather, unless you love snow. Right? If you love snow, then you're having a bad December. All right, let's do again. Let's check and see how many more sunny days are there than cloudy. Remember to check that. We have to first see how many do they each have the same. Cloudy only has 2, so we need to take away 2 from sunny. How many more are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sunny has 4 more than cloudy. All right, go to your next blank page. I'll give you a second to turn there and we will get started. You can always pause me too if I'm going too fast. All right, here we go. So today's date, we are still in the 12th month of December. And today is day number 10. And it is the year 20. All right, we need to spell Thursday. Remember those 2 letters that make that th sound is T, capital T, and H. When I put TH together, it makes the th. You put your tongue up there, the th sound. Thurs. Remember the U-R-S, Thursday. D-A-Y. All right, and today we've been in school for 64 days. 64 days. So remember, we look at the number in the ones place to decide if this number is even or odd. We are going to share the 4 because the 4 is in the ones place. Put your hands up. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 2, and I got 2. And that is the same, which makes it an even number. Even. So 64 goes in the stop sign. Now we're not going to use this hundreds chart, remember, unless you really, really need to. I want you to think about the 2 patterns that we already know about counting by tens. Remember, when we go up and down, we're counting by tens. When we go side to side, we count by ones. All right, so remember, the first pattern in the ones place is they all end with the same number. So if this is a 4, this has to be a 4, and this has to be a 4. And the pattern in the tens place is they go in order, right? So if this is 6, what comes after 6? 7. So now we have to count backwards to find this one. 7, 6, 5. And now they're in order, right? 5, 6, 7. Let's read those numbers together. Read them with me. 54, 64, 74. Do you see the pattern? Very good. All right, come down here and go ahead and do 64 base 10 blocks. And while you're doing that, I'm going to draw you a dice. Just do that. So we're going to color in 6 10 sticks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4 ones, or 4 cubes. Now let's count those together. Here we go. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Good job. All right, come on over here. Let's see. How many do we have on the top up here? I see a 6 and 2 more. So if I count up, I would say 6, 7, 8. I have 8 on the top. And I have only 5 on the bottom. I need to add those two numbers together. So let's start with, let's use the number line today. We used our hands and we counted up. Let's try using the number line. So put your finger on the biggest number, which is 8. And then we're going to count 5 more, or go 5 hops. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did we land on? 13. 13. Good job. All right, I'm going to write a time on the clock, and I want to see if you can draw those hands. Remember, in clock time, we start with the shorthand first. It tells us the hour, what hour it is. Then the longhand, which tells us the minutes. So we can say short, then long. Or you could say hours, then minutes. So here we go. I'm going to tell you the time. Today's time is 4 o'clock. So think for a minute. If the first one is the hour, are we going to use long or shorthand first? Right, short, because little comes first. We're going to do short, then long. So shorthand to the 4. And remember the longhand, where do we put it when it says o'clock? Straight up at 12, right? All the way to the top at 12. So the longhand points to the 12. That shows me it is 4 o'clock. All right, we got to get our money done. So let's go over here. Yesterday we made 24 cents. Today's a big money day, friends. Today is a big money day. So today we are going to make 25 cents. So here we go. Remember, one more day is one more coin that's worth a 1, right? So I can add one more penny. You see those pennies? All right. So now I have 2 dimes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. Let's count it. Ready? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I have 25 pennies. Now, there's lots of trades we can make today. But the first one that I know how to do is if I get to 5 pennies, I can trade for what coin? Right, the nickel, right? And I have 5 today. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to trade all of those pennies for just one of these nickels. They are the same, 5 and 5. It's the same thing. So we're going to put the nickel here instead and get rid of all of these pennies. So that's less coins, isn't it? Get rid of this. And now I have 10, 20, 25, right? So that's one trade I can make. Now I only have 3 coins. That's getting a little bit lighter. But look up at our stuff on the wall. What coin is worth 25? Can you tell? I'll fix my posters here. Yes, there's a coin that's worth 25. It's the quarter. So today we could actually trade all of these coins for just 1 quarter. So let's do that. Let's put the nickel away and the 2 dimes, because remember, this is 25, these 3 coins, and this 1 coin is 25. So we're going to put that one on there today and get rid of those. And now our 1 coin is worth 25 cents. That 1 coin is worth 25 cents. So we only have to write one thing today, right? Does anybody know what quarter starts with? What letter are we going to put for a quarter? Right, a Q. So down here you're going to write 25 cents. And then right here you're just going to make one big coin with a Q for quarter. 1 quarter is 25 cents. All of that trade for 1 coin. Isn't that great? We're finally getting into bigger numbers. All right, I will see you back at school. Goodbye.